it's Angie here to share what's coming April 1st, 2022 to ownbeads.com. Own Beads has 3 new collections coming and some lovely surprises. We have the OHM Southwest Dreams collection, which is designed by Nicole at My Pretty Charm Life. And then we also have a Lilac collection, and we have OHM Rêveur Collection as well, with a whopping 6 glass beads, all coming April 1st. So let's get started and I'll show you all these beautiful beads. First up is the OHM Southwest Dreams collection, as I said, designed by Nicole at My Pretty Charm Life. This collection features 5 stunning silver designs that are celebrating New Mexico and life in the desert. We can start with the box, which is created by Nicole, her box art, with a little bit of a foreshadowing of the beautiful beads in the collection. And of course you get a certificate, and it does have all the beads shown on it. The first bead is called Running Through the Desert, and this is $45. And as you can see, it has the iconic Roadrunner. And what I love about these button charms is that they are double-sided, so you get 2 different looks. And the sides are really beautiful as well. As you can see, there's that wonderful dimpled shape and all this exquisite silver work on the side, which, if you can see, these are actually chili peppers. So that is a very cool addition. And then the other side shows the yucca plant, which is the state plant of New Mexico, I believe. Really, really pretty. And this one is called Running Through the Desert, and it's $45. The next bead in the collection is this very graphic silver offering, and this is called Choices. And if you're familiar, this is the Zia symbol, which is the symbol of New Mexico and the Zia Pueblo people. And it is a beautiful sun symbol with 16 rays of sun. And it basically says there is harmony of all the things in the universe. But for Nicole, this is all about making choices, knowing you have choices. And it's just beautiful. I love it. That's Choices, and that is also $45. The next bead in the collection is called Tumble. This is $55, and as you can see, it's a very intricate open work bead. Lots of detail on this, and it's obviously a tumbleweed. And this is also very iconic of the desert and the Southwest. Very unusual. I don't think I've ever seen a tumbleweed bead before, and it's just beautifully done. You may be tumbling out of control, don't know where you're going, but you just have to keep going. That is Tumble, and it's $55. Howling at the Moon is the next bead. This is $45, and as you can see, it's a sister bead to the first one I showed you, Running Through the Desert. It's another button-shaped bead. And this time we have this gorgeous coyote on the front, Howling at the Moon. Lots of detail on this one. It's just gorgeous. And then the sides include this beautiful sort of basket weave silver work, just luscious. And as I said, this is 2-sided, and we have a repeat of the Zia symbol on the back. Obviously, all these beads coordinate very well together, but the 2 button ones are just great anchors of the collection. That's Howling at the Moon, and it's also $45. The last bead in the collection is called Flying High. This is a large focal showstopper bead with a beautiful turquoise stone in the center of this beautiful silver work. This is $220, and it is a custom order, so it will take 6 to 8 weeks delivery time. It's a very large bead with, as I said, this gorgeous, gorgeous silver work all the way around, from beading and petals, flowers, this beautiful base, and then of course that lovely gondola on the bottom with this beautiful basket weave, like the wicker basket on the hot air balloon. And Albuquerque hosts a balloon fiesta every year, an international one, and the skies are filled with balloons, so this is a perfect representation of that. It's absolutely stunning, and that very collectible turquoise gemstone in the center is just massive and so beautiful. That is Flying High, and it's $220, and it is a custom order available to order on April 1st. The next collection is called the OHM Lilac Collection and consists of 2 pieces, 1 silver and 1 stone. This is Lilac Dreams. It's $85, and it's this beautiful dangle featuring lilac blossoms and buds on this beautiful leaf bale. It's quite a large bead, lots of silver on this, lots of work. I think there are about 10 blossoms included on this bead. So there are 3 jump rings and then all the blossoms, 3 or 4, 4 jump rings, and all these beautiful blossoms dangling. Absolutely stunning. I just love this bead. That's Lilac Dreams, and it's $85. The other piece in the collection is called Lilac Stoned, and it is this beautiful, faceted, reconstituted turquoise stone bead. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. This will be $110. As you can see, that beautiful lilac color with flecks of blue, flecks of gold. Each one will be slightly different and unique. You can see how those facets really catch the light. This is Lilac Stoned, and it's $110. Just gorgeous. Next we have the OHM Rêveur Collection, and this collection consists of 6 new glass beads. All of them are $45 each, and they all are created on a base of black and then have the addition of white and red, or a combination of both. This one is called Buried in Bias. It's a black base with a line of diagonal white stripes running down the center. Really beautiful. This one is called Most Effective, and as you can see, it's alternating red and white lines on that black background. Really, really pretty. I just love black, red, and white, so I adore this collection. Here we have Open at Night, which is just a red line around the center of the glass. Obviously pairs very nicely with the other glass beads in this collection. You can mix and match or buy them all. Then we have Overlapping Pages, which is this black background with a white stripe through it, and then red zigzags crisscrossing across, and then these beautiful little bubbles. I love any glass bead with bubbles. So pretty. This one is called Sea of Ink, and it's a black background with these white swirly wisps, and then just a little bit of red in there. Very, very pretty. I like this one a lot. And the last one I have to show you is called Without Warning, and it's this beautiful deep black glass with a big pop of red. Nice red block. Really, really pretty. Like that one too. It's like a surprise as it twirls around. All of a sudden this big pop of red comes. And there you go. That's the entire release of the 3 collections coming on April 1st, 2022 from ohmbeads.com. Thank you so much to OHM for sending me these beautiful beads to enjoy. I just love them. What a fabulous release. And congratulations to Nicole at My Pretty Charm Life for this absolutely stunning collection of 5 beads. And if you're new to OHM Beads and want to save 10% off your first order, you can use my affiliate code Angie at checkout.